Hello everybody, today we are playing the Fisher Cat. Now we're gonna catch like 100 fish. Okay, so alright, let's enter the game. Anything in the mailbox? Nothing here today. Alright, let's go fishing to the coral reefs. Let's go fishing. Day 40, ordinary. Alright, grab it. Ooh, got an applefish, applefish, applefish. Got him. Got an applefish. Got an applefish. It's good, I got an applefish. Oof, dang it. Got. Keep missing. Keep missing. Keep missing. Ooh, got him. Got him. Come on, got him. Got him. Applefish. Got an applefish. Ooh. Oh, dang it. I missed that one. Come on, get him. Got 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 him. Ooh. I got that one. I was so close. At least I got the big fish. At least I got the big, humongous fish. This one right here is the one right here, right there. Alright, let's touch the continue. I got a bunch of coins. I think we should, what do we have? Okay, let's go here. How don't we have? Okay, we don't have any fishing nets. So I'll grab one of those. I think it's only this, but in order to upgrade it, we need 50, those things. New mail. Med the merchandise. Yep, I know that one. I know you got. Okay, green. Okay, ordinary day. It's ordinary, so I guess we'll go now. Let's go to the coral reefs. What's the highest? Is it called Captovia? Alright, let's go. 86% done with this. Boom! Fish first. Fish first. Fish, fish. Fish, fish. Fish. Missed him. Missed me. Got him. Oh, got him. Oh. Get him. Ooh, got him. Oh, got him. Those fishing nets are so useful when you're actually got it. Oh, what is that? What is that? I got it. I wonder what that was. Oh my goodness, it's worth a lot though. Hey, give me my. At least I got a new fish, I think. Is it new, or have I caught it before? Oh, it is new. Ooh, that looks rare. 1,375. Jeez, that's rare. Let's go ahead and check out. Ooh, baby, I'm back. You're welcome to bargain. Okay, bargain. I'll give you. Okay. Look, we can get this. This should be the same as the price as the nails or parts. I'll get bargain. I'm gonna bargain, so this might interrupt you, but that's okay. I have this game somewhere else, and I'd recommend you to play it. It's super cool. Okay, sorry for the ad. I had to watch it because we're gonna get 12 parts for that. So I'm gonna just get that. Thanks a million for the trade. Okay. Ordinary coral reefs are emerald pillow, beautiful color. Most of the fish are gentle, but they're such as butterfly fish. butterfly fish suck. Butterfly fish are the worst. I'll show you. Like, I'll show you what the butterfly fish. Look, a carnivorous fish that lives in the shallow waters. It quickly swallows the goods as soon as it sees them. So those things are super annoying. Alright, let's look at the sunfish. Okay, deep sea. We have the deep sea, no information. Good. Look at that. We're over there. We live with one cat. It's so little. Cute. He's cute. Little cute. Now go. Boom. Come on. Catch one. Get him. Missed that one. Get the player. Boom. Yeah. Let's do this. Oh, butterfly fish. Two of them. Two butterfly fish. Butterfly fish suck. Don't you see what I mean? No. Come on, bait him. Get the ball. Dang it. That's like the most rarest fish ever. Well, not the rarest fish. The rarest fish in the game is called a goldfish, obviously. But it's actually made of gold instead of like... And there's a chance we'll be seeing whirlpools of fish. I'll fight harder to overcome the weather. Oh, so that means we get rid of the big old fish, boys. Well, I've never gotten it, so that doesn't mean I'm right. Rough ocean. I don't see no rough ocean. Get him, boys. No, that what I see what I mean by rough. I see what they mean by rowdy. You get all the fish very fast. Oh, there's a tuna fish. Instant tuna fish. Boom. Hit him one more time. Dang it, missed that one. Okay, save my oxygen. Hey, no. Okay. Tuna fish. Hit him. Boom. Got him. This guy's worth so much. Okay. Boom. Ah, dang it, I almost got him. Come on. Come on, no! I almost got my mission fish. You see what I mean by rough? Well, it's not rough at the surface. I don't know why. Hello, catfish. Okay, that's all. It's ordinary today. Okay, let's go into the shop. Let's buy a large fishing net. Let's see what's in our harpoons. Okay, let's see what's in the end. Okay, what fish do we need? Let yourselves to far to the ocean cave. That's gonna take a while. The boat. Fishing. We don't need fishing stuff. We don't fish. This is how we fish. This is how cats fish. They go in the ocean, they grab fish, and they earn so much money. They earn cat coins. I call them cat coins. They're not really called cat coins, but yeah, boom! Deja vu! Oh dang it, I missed that one. Look at story. Boom. 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 Dang it. Give me that hurt fish. Ooh, this one's giant. This one's giant. This one's giant. Can I reach him? No, I can't reach him. Oh. Nah, I don't want to watch a video. So, let's not catch that green fish. Because the green fish makes us watch a freaking ad. Or if you say no, then you don't have to watch an ad. But it gives us like a bunch of coins. But I don't want to, guys. So, I guess I won't watch it. Okay, we got ordinary rock fish. The rock fish that only appear in the ocean caves. It's still a mystery how it swims. But I mean, man, I don't have the ocean caves. I should start saving up my cat coins. Okay, stop. Ding, ding, ditch. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, gold rush. Fish rush, I should say. Boom, 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 and got a jellyfish. Jellyfish, avoid all jellyfish. Alright. Avoid all jellyfish. Warning, we have to avoid jellyfish. You'll die if you don't avoid these mysterious... Oh man, I was just about to get oxygen from that fat fish. Hey, don't steal my stuffed giant blue yellowfish. Jeez. Alright, what's new? Hey buddy, thanks, peaceful. I said... Recently, I saw a swarm of squids in the ocean caves. I had a hard time getting rid of them after they stuck to me. Watch for them if you go into the ocean cave. PS squids come in groups. Use a net to catch them at once. Okay. It's ordinary. It's always ordinary. Boom. Every day there is a mail, okay? There is a mailbox. Waste of oxygen. Waste of oxygen. Waste of oxygen. Waste of oxygen. Catch! 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 Boom! 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 A kaboom and a kaboom. Mobile. So I had to find a way. Oh wait, dang it, I said that out loud, sorry. Come on, catch him, catch him, catch him. He's right there. Dang it, I missed him. I missed him. I'm going up far away because that reduced the number of fish. You won't find much out there today. No way! I won't find any fish. Oh! Well, what do they mean by that? Is that I can barely, I will be big bugs. Oh, wait, what? There's already some coming in. There's like 5. Not much. I agree now. I see what you mean by that. I see what you mean by that. Like, if we go through that hole, is that the deep sea? Catch. Got him. The bigger the fish, the bigger the money, 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 money. Oh, I almost got that jellyfish. I didn't want him. Ooh, oxygen. Oxygen. Hit him. Boom. Got it. Get him. Get him. Oh, I almost got that. I almost got him. Oh, dang it. I got a jellyfish. I got a jellyfish. Dang it. Jellyfish are good. Wait, we gotta, whatever they're called. Come Come on, get it, get it, get it, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. Oh, dang it. The butterfly fish got in the way. I keep missing him. I keep missing that giant green fish. Keep missing him. I miss him a lot. Okay, how have you been? I'm the merchant. Oh yeah, the trading port. Oh, predators seem pretty active today. If you go out today, there's a great chance of running into a large fish. So that's what they mean. So it wasn't the like hard one. It's the one that appear fast. Like they're large. So we're gonna see large fish in 5 seconds, maybe. I see so many large fish in the background right now. See, look, we already got a large fish right there, that green apple fish. Catch him, got him. Oh, there's sharks back there. Look at that, we are the most luckiest people in the world right now. Dang it, I missed him. Oxygen, bubble fish. Dang it! There was a giant jellyfish that got in the way. Dang it. Well, that's it for today's video. But before I leave, I'm gonna just get some fishing nets to prepare for the next video of this. So I will see you tomorrow or next week or someday. And I'll see you next time. Okay, bye guys.